Watch the forklift! Move it left! Missed a spot right here. All right, send the next one through. This grain pattern looks good.
Yes, but check the moisture level on the next one.
Hold it there. Okay, move it onto the rail now. All right, clear the way.
The intense LED tunnel reveals even the slightest imperfection, ensuring only the finest carvings leave the village.
The polish on this Garuda is exceptional. Look at the detail here.
Yes, the finish is perfect. I'll make a note.
Make sure the foam covers the edges completely.
Yes, I am securing it now.
Taruh yang itu di belakang, kiriman ke Amerika. Baik, saya lihat.
Crane 42, lift confirmed. Moving container 5, value 9 to hold 7.
Roger that, Crane 42. Clear on approach.
Bay 12, you are clear to land. Roger that, setting it down now.
From the hands of Balinese artisans, these intricate carvings journey across the deep blue sea towards global markets.
Clear the deck, we have movement on the starboard side.
Roger that, Unit 7. Proceed slowly.
Hold the line, we have incoming rail car.
Copy that. Secure the load.
Grid reference 7, you are clear to move.
The intricate wood carvings from Bali begin their long journey, transported across the island and onto the global stage.
We need this pallet moved now.
Careful with the carvings. They are fragile.
Yes, understood.
From the heart of Bali, these exquisite carvings begin their journey to the finest galleries across the city.
Look at the detail in the hands.
It truly is exquisite craftsmanship.
Chip on this Garuda is exquisite.
It would look perfect in the main hall.
We've wrapped it securely for your travels.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much.
It's magnificent, isn't it? The detail is incredible.
It truly captures the spirit of Bali.
Carefully now, place it here. Oh wow, these are absolutely stunning.
This Garuda statue represents the mythical bird. Very strong.
It is absolutely stunning. The detail is incredible.
And then you gently tap the chisel, slowly removing the excess wood.
As you can see, the texture is very smooth. This statue here is depicting the god Vishnu riding the Garuda. It brings good luck.
This very special carving, handmade.
It is beautiful. Will you take 400,000 for this one?
Yes, for you I can do that price. I will wrap it now.
Here is your Garuda sculpture, madam.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
This sculpture is magnificent. What kind of wood is this?
It is carved from very rare ebony wood, madam. It symbolizes prosperity and growth.
Could you rotate it slightly more to the left? I want to see the grain from this angle.
Ah, yes, that highlights the craftsmanship perfectly for the client.
A little more to the left, please. Okay, easy now. Got it. Perfect, thank you both. Let's center it right here. Push slightly to the left. Like this? Yes, perfect. It looks good now.
Look at the detail here, the way the light catches the grain.
Well, it's
grain
sensor.
line up there.
It's absolutely stunning. A masterpiece. This carving represents the Ramayana story. Look at the intricate details here.
The artist spent nearly 5 years on this particular Garuda.
Truly magnificent work. The texture is incredible.
Notice the pose of the dancer. This mudra symbolizes the welcoming of the gods, crafted from a sigil block of Korimu. This piece captures the spirit perfectly.
How long did it take to carve the wings?
Nearly a year of dedicated work. Balinese craftsmanship adorns the finest homes across the globe. But the journey of these exquisite sculptures...
Notice the way the light catches the curve of the wings. It's designed to symbolize freedom.
Truly masterful work.
Like this, master.
Yes, but angle it slightly deeper on the edge.
Shipment to New York is delayed by 2 days.
Okay, I will reroute the London order to compensate. Make sure the Jakarta crates are ready by noon.
Look at the detail on the Garudas here. Wow.
It's absolutely breathtaking. The craftsmanship is incredible.